Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times. My lights aren't on. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I have a wig review. I actually wasn't going to do this. I had time to kill because my clothes aren't dry. So I thought, why not review a wig? Because, like, what else? Okay. I have a sensational wig today. And this is part of their Empress Lace Wig Collection. Lace front edge wig. And it says that you can move it, you know, because it doesn't have ear tubs, you can just slide it where you want. This is the Boutique Kinky Straight. She is, he'd say, 350 to 400 degrees. I have her in the color TP1B/30/27. She comes in a lot of these beautiful specialty colors. And I scooped her up from Glamour Trust for just $14.40. This is her. I dropped her, so. Here's that beautiful 30 color, the 27, and then the 1B Root. And there's a little 1B sort of like sombrayed in at the top, but that's about it. She does have baby hairs, which are fairly long, kind of like bangs, but whatever. She does have that lace edge too, comes in the front lace part, and come in the back adjustable straps. Looks like a comfortable wig cap. So let me put on my wig cap. Okay. She's a nice size wig cap. I would not describe it necessarily as big, but it is comfortable and like, it's that stretchy. Density is fairly natural. It's not very thick, but it's more like a natural density. A light yaki texture. There's a little bit of silkiness. There's definitely some humpage going on from just how it was sitting. And I feel like I need to, cut some lace back because it's like bothering my ear. That's her on the left. Okay. I kind of like these long baby hairs. It's not really baby hairs. That's her on the right, her in the center. I think I actually did that complete opposite. This is her on the left. I think I'm gonna do her on the left. I haven't done a left-sided situation in a while. All right, let me get her together and then we'll talk about her. Lickety split. She's a realistic density. She is gonna tangle a little bit. She's not full yaki. She's only about 18 to 20 inches long at the very longest. Nice layers. Let's look at her from the back. I love this coloring for sure. Oh, look at how pretty that looks from the back. Oh, look at that color. Oh yeah, let's look at the movement. For sure. I love her. I love her and I recommend her. Oh, all right. If there is another sensational wig, if there's another sensational wig that you would like me to review, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so because I don't really know what you're waiting on. And if you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.